Welcome to part 2 of the video, where I will show how to get stock data with cell references. If you want to learn about the function, please watch part 1. As you can see, I have already filled all the parameters needed for the function. So we will type equal to Google Finance and select each parameter from company to the interval. First we type NSE, which is the exchange, then colon, in the inverted comma. Then we add an AND operator. Now we select the cell which contains ticker SBIN and select the cell containing price. Select starting date, then the end date. We have two interval options, daily and weekly. I am choosing weekly interval to get weekly data. Hit enter and the data is here. Let me change the attribute to beta. And we get nothing. Google Finance do not have beta for many of the stocks. I will show in later videos how to get beta of any stock in the sheets. Let's change the parameter to high and we get weekly high prices of the stocks. Similarly, low prices can also be fixed. In the same manner, we can change the company name to TCS and any other listed company. We can also change dates and period from daily to weekly. Thank you for watching.